As the sun set over the vast expanse of the desert, Dr. Maria Rodriguez gazed up at the night sky, her eyes scouring the horizon for any sign of life beyond Earth. She had always been fascinated by the mysteries of the universe, and as an astronomer, she spent most of her days studying the stars, searching for answers to questions that had haunted humanity for centuries. Maria's small observatory was a humble abode in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by nothing but sand dunes and endless blue skies. It was here that she spent most of her waking hours, peering through her telescope, taking notes, and analyzing data. She was a recluse, preferring the solitude of the desert to the bustling streets of civilization. But on this particular night, something was different. As Maria gazed up at the stars, she noticed a faint signal emanating from a nearby nebula. It was a message, written in light, pulsing with an otherworldly energy that seemed to reverberate through every cell in her body. Maria's heart skipped a beat as she realized the magnitude of what she was seeing. Could this be it? Was this the key to understanding the universe and our place within it? She quickly set up her equipment, adjusting the telescope to focus on the signal. As she watched, the message began to take shape, forming words and symbols that seemed to dance across the sky. "Hello," Maria whispered, her voice barely audible over the pounding of her heart. The response was immediate. The message changed, taking on a new form, one that sent shivers down Maria's spine. "We are here," it read. Maria stumbled backward, her eyes fixed on the screen as she tried to process what she was seeing. Was this real? Were they really trying to communicate with her? Over the next few days, Maria received message after message from the stars, each one more astonishing than the last. They spoke of distant worlds and civilizations, of galaxies beyond our own, and of secrets that had been hidden for eons. As she delved deeper into the messages, Maria began to realize that these were not just random signals. They were a conversation, a dialogue between two beings from different worlds. And at the center of it all was her, the lonely astronomer, chosen to be the bridge between two civilizations. The messages continued to flow, each one shedding light on a new aspect of the universe. Maria learned about the wonders of black holes and dark matter, about the strange beauty of cosmic rays and the secrets of gravitational waves. She discovered that the universe was full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and that she had been given a rare gift, the chance to explore them all. As the days turned into weeks, Maria's small observatory became a hub of activity. Scientists from around the world flocked to her doorstep, eager to learn about the messages from the stars. They pored over the data, trying to decipher the codes and unlock the secrets of the universe. But for Maria, there was more to it than just science. There was a deeper connection, one that spoke to something fundamental within herself. She felt a sense of belonging, of being part of something greater than herself, something that transcended borders and boundaries. As she gazed up at the stars, Maria knew that she was no longer alone. She had found her place in the universe, and it was among the messages from distant stars. The response continued to flow, each one a new chapter in a cosmic story that was still unfolding. And as Maria listened, she felt her heart expanding, growing to encompass the infinite possibilities of the universe. She knew that she would never be alone again, for the stars had spoken, and their voices echoed within her soul. In the end, it was clear that the messages from the stars were not just a gift. They were a reminder that we are all part of something greater than ourselves, something that connects us all across the vast expanse of space and time. And as Maria gazed up at the night sky, she knew that she would spend the rest of her days listening to the whispers of the stars, seeking answers to questions that had haunted humanity for centuries. The response ended with a new message, one that sent shivers down Maria's spine. "We are waiting," it read. And as she gazed up at the stars, Maria knew that she would never be alone again. The universe had spoken, and its voice was within her heart, waiting to be listened to.